Hey peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name's Arietta and today I wanted to unbox with you a canvas that I bought in a D-stash. So let's get this open and see what I've received. Okay, so this canvas, as I say, was purchased as part of a D-stash, but it came from Crystal Canvas Art Designs. I have previously unboxed one of their canvases before that did come direct from them. I will pop a link to that up in the eye. The downside for me was that unfortunately shipping from them in the US was a bit pricey, so when this came up as a D-stash I wanted to grab it pretty quick. So it is a full crystal drill canvas. We will have a look at those in a moment. Ooh, we've got little bits for a kit, so we've got the white boat. We've got a squishy 3-placer, a 6-placer, some good tweezers. So nice little kit there. Don't know if this is the original kit that came with the canvas or if it's something that the seller put in for me. Either way, it's got everything that you need and a little bit extra, so it's very good. And this is the canvas. Let me move you out a little bit. So, this close up, it is a little difficult to see what it is, but looking at it in the camera, it's perfectly clear. So we've got this lovely blue butterfly down here, and then we've got these forget-me-nots. And then in the back, we've got mountains and sun rays coming around. So I'm really interested to see how this looks completed in crystals. But I was just really taken by this image of the butterfly with the forget-me-nots. It spoke to me, and I wanted to have it, and so I did have it. It really is kind of that simple. I'm gonna see if I can find out if they still sell this canvas. I will have a look. I know they have quite a vast turnaround on their site, and I'm not sure how old this canvas was. But we can see that it has got 28 colours. The symbols are, we've got numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we've got letters, and then just one symbol down the bottom. So really nice. We have got the canvas is 50 by 50, and I believe that is the image size rather than let's just have a little look. I'm trying to think last time I unboxed. Yes, so the printed area is 50 by 50, so you're getting a little over that in terms of the actual size of the working canvas. It is poured glue. It is super sticky. And yeah, I'm very pleased with it. It's a very clear canvas, easy to read. I'm not going to need a light pad. It's very nice indeed. I will put you in so you can see. So look at that, even with the not very good zoom on my camera, you can see even these G's, which are, you know, a dark G on a dark background, you can still see that very clearly. But for the most part, they have used white lettering on the dark backgrounds, black lettering on the light backgrounds. Yeah, it's very nice indeed. It is quite a stiff canvas, which may be a deal breaker for some people, but doesn't bother me any. And yeah, I paid £35 for this, including shipping, from the UK seller who was destashing it. So huge thank you to her, because otherwise I wouldn't have been able to get this at all. I'm just gonna look on their site and see how much a 50 by 50 would set you back. Let's have a look. Okay, so a quick Google. I haven't been able to find this image on their site anymore, but I did find out that the original artist is Jody Bergsma, and the painting is just called Forget Me Not. Credit to her for the artwork. Crystal Canvas Art Designs do have licensed artwork, so I don't have a concern about that. It just doesn't happen to say it on the canvas, which is a bit of a shame. But regardless, I am very pleased with this. The quality is good. I'm happy with the price I paid. It's all good. And we will have a little look at the diamonds, or crystals, I should say. Crystals. Okay, so I'm just going to do a very quick run through of these. I know it's not everybody's favourite thing, so feel free to skip ahead if you would like. So we've got some golds. My lighting in here is really bad today with these sparkles. We've got some bright yellow. We've got obviously lots of different shades of blue, and all this silver that you can see is in fact the back of the drills, so it's quite difficult to show you sometimes. We've got some purples, a little bit of black and some grey. And in this next strip, more grey tones, green, yellow, deeper pinks, yet more blues, greeny blues, lovely aqua tone there, some peridot, turquoise, more yellows, more golds, pinks, pinks, pinks. So lots to look forward to there with that. It's very loud. I'm very much looking forward to seeing how this one turns out. I'm not sure when I'll get around to doing it, but I'm very happy that I have it now in my stash. So do check out if you are in the UK and you are looking for canvases that you might think are unobtainable, do check out the Licensed Diamond Paintings Destash UK group on Facebook. I will pop a link down below to their group because this is where I found this canvas. They seem, certainly from my experience, to be a very reliable group. I've not had any problems. And of course, if you like this canvas and want more of these whole crystal canvases, do check out Crystal Canvas Art Designs, particularly if you're based in the US or have no problem paying for shipping outside of the US. Then I highly recommend them. Their quality is very good. Yeah, I enjoy what they sell. It's just difficult to get hold of for me. So I'm going to leave this here. I will, of course, follow up with you as soon as I start working on this one. Please do consider to leave a like, share, subscribe. Why not become a member of the Crafty Coven over on Facebook? And if you've got a couple of pounds to spare, why not consider supporting me and my content creation over on Patreon? I hope that you have enjoyed this video, and until next time, stay crafty. As always, a huge thank you to those of you that support me over on Patreon. If you would like to check that out for yourself, you can do so. The link is always down in the description.